How to delete text messages on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Messages app. Here we go. With that, you'll land to the conversation page. Now open the conversation with the person where you want to delete the text. Once you open it, long press on the text that you want to delete. You'll get different options. Click on the option of more. Now at the bottom left, you'll find this delete icon. Click on it. Click on delete message. With that, the message will be deleted. If you want to delete multiple messages, what you have to do is open the conversation. Now long press on any of the message. Click on the option of more. Now at the left corner, you're going to find the circle boxes. Now you have to check in for the text that you want to delete. In this way, once you select it, click on this delete icon given at the bottom left corner. Click on delete messages. With that, the messages will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete text messages on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.